Are you an aspiring blues guitarist looking to take your skills to the next level? Do you dream of strumming soulful melodies and shredding electrifying solos that captivate audiences? Look no further. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore how you can unleash your true potential as a blues guitarist. Whether you're a beginner or have been playing for years, these tips and techniques will help you master the art of blues guitar. Understand the emotional connection. Blues music is all about expressing emotions through your instrument. To become a great blues guitarist, it's essential to understand the emotional objectives behind each note and phrase. Connect with your audience by conveying feelings of longing, sadness, joy, or passion through your playing. Develop unique rationale. To stand out as a blues guitarist, it's crucial to develop your unique rationale for playing the genre. What draws you to the blues? Is it the rawness and simplicity of its structure or its ability to evoke deep emotions? Understanding why you are passionate about blues guitar will fuel your dedication and drive for improvement. Master essential techniques. To excel in any musical genre, mastering foundational techniques is key. For blues guitarists, this includes learning chord progressions such as 12 bars blues and dominant 7th chords. Practice fingerpicking patterns like Travis picking or Delta-style slide guitar techniques for added authenticity. Embrace improvisation. One of the defining characteristics of blues music is improvisation, creating melodies on the spot within a given framework. Developing improvisational skills allows you to express yourself freely while staying true to the essence of blues music. Explore influential artist styles. Studying influential artists can greatly enhance your understanding and appreciation for different styles within the realm of blues guitar playing. Listen to legends like B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, and Eric Clapton to grasp their unique approaches and incorporate elements into your own playing. Learn from online resources. Thanks to the internet, aspiring blues guitarists have access to a wealth of online resources that can accelerate their learning process. Explore video tutorials, online lessons, and forums dedicated to blues guitar playing. Take advantage of these platforms to learn new techniques and connect with fellow musicians. Seek guidance from a mentor. While online resources are valuable, having a mentor can provide personalized feedback and guidance tailored specifically for you. Find an experienced blues guitarist who can help identify areas for improvement and offer valuable insights on technique, tone production, and stage presence. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is essential in any journey towards mastery. Break down your long-term goal of becoming an accomplished blues guitarist into smaller milestones that you can work towards consistently. For example, mastering 5 new licks per week or improving improvisation skills by dedicating 15 minutes daily. Record yourself. Recording yourself while practicing or performing allows you to objectively evaluate your progress over time. Listen back critically to identify areas where you excel as well as those needing improvement. This will enable targeted practice sessions focused on refining specific techniques or phrasing. Perform live whenever possible. Nothing compares to the energy exchange between musician and audience during live performances. Seek opportunities such as open mic nights or jam sessions at local venues where you can showcase your skills in front of others passionate about the genre. Conclusion. Becoming a proficient blues guitarist requires dedication, practice, and an understanding of the emotional depth within the genre's soulful melodies. By following this step-by-step guide, connecting emotionally with your instrument, developing unique rationale for playing blues music, mastering essential techniques while embracing improvisation, exploring influential artist styles, utilizing online resources alongside seeking guidance from mentors, setting achievable goals, recording yourself and performing live, you'll be well on your way to unleashing your true potential as a blues guitarist. So, grab your guitar, let the strings sing, and embark on this incredible musical journey. The world is waiting to hear your blues.